Trendy Talia video. My name is Talia for those of you who may be new here, bringing you all of my favorite trends from the beauty and fashion world. And today I'm going to be doing a little Hollister and Abercrombie and Fitch try-on haul. So I did a little back to school shopping online for my kids and I could not help myself. I had to get a few little treats for myself, and there's only 6 items in this try-on haul, so it'll go fairly quickly, but I thought I would show you guys what I got. And some of these items still may be in stock, so if they are, I'll be sure to link it down below in the description bar for you guys. And I'm just so happy with all of these items. They are perfect for autumn coming up. So without further ado, let's jump into this haul. So the first 3 items I got are from Hollister, and the first one I'm showing you guys is this white long sleeve shirt that says Hollister. Right here on the side, around in a circle, it says Southern California. Then in the back here, nice and big, it says the same thing. I just love these navy blue and baby pink colors together. It's so pretty. Also, down the sleeve, it says Southern California. And I just love the material of this shirt. It's 100% cotton and it is so soft. I kid you not, this is the softest thing I've ever put on in a t-shirt form. And I can't wait to wear it during those fall months when it's nice and cozy outside. I got another t-shirt, and this is a twist front t-shirt. So down at the bottom here, it just kind of ties and twists up a little bit into a crop top, but it's not super short. You can wear this with high-waisted jeans and get away with wearing it for like the school dress code policy, I believe. And it's just so cute. I love, again, it has navy blue, baby blue, and baby pink stripes. And I just love that color contrast together. It's super girly and it's nice and fitted too. I love that. And I just think this shirt is so stylish and it's gonna look so trendy to wear during those fall months. The last thing I got from Hollister are these high-rise super skinny jeans in this black color. It's going to match perfectly with everything, and I just love the way that these fit me. They come right by my belly button, not above it or below it, but like right in the middle of it, if that makes sense. And if I wanted to, I could pull them up just a tad bit more and they can go over my belly button, but I just love the way that these jeans fit. They're super snug and they're so flattering on my body, and I have not owned any Hollister jeans before, so I'm super happy to be adding these to my wardrobe, and I was in need of some new jeans this fall and winter season. Alrighty, so moving along to Abercrombie and Fitch, the first thing I got are these high-rise, super skinny ankle jeans in this beautiful cream and striped color. Now the stripes are like a tan, light brown color, and these are so stylish. I just love the way they fit me. Again, they fit nice and snug, and they're also super soft. So these don't go too far down my leg. They go just above my ankle, which I love. They're gonna look so cute with little flats on. And the shirts that I bought with these jeans are going to match it perfectly. So I'm just super excited for fall time and to wear all of these stylish outfits. The next purchase that I made from Abercrombie and Fitch is this short sleeve smocked tie front shirt in this black color, and it's so stylish, you guys. I'm super excited to wear this for the fall time. And again, it fits nice and comfortably with that smock detailing down at my waist. It just cinches you in, and it's so flattering on as well too. And then the last thing I bought from Abercrombie and Fitch is this lace trim cami, and this is a beautiful bronze color. And oh my goodness, you guys, I just love the lace detailing on this. It goes along the back as well with buttons down the back. And this gives me major Jenna Rink vibes from 13 Going on 30. If you guys have seen that movie, there's a part where she turns 30 years old, and when she wakes up, she runs off to work and she's wearing her pajamas pretty much. And the potato is ready! Coming! And I'm kind of living for it because I have seen a few tops and sets as well that have been coming out with this satin lace-like material, and you can wear it out and it's pretty much like wearing your pajamas in public. So I'm here for that trend. But this is so lightweight and comfortable, and the color is perfect for fall time, and you can just throw on like a denim jacket over this, or even like a leather or faux leather like jacket. I think that would look super cute with this. And again, it matches perfectly with those jeans that I got from Abercrombie and Fitch as well. I'm just so happy with everything that I've shown you in today's try-on haul, and I hope you all enjoyed watching as well. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new today and would like to see more trendy videos from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!